Go for it.
Oh, look at all the dust. Look at all the dirt that fell out of it.
Oh my god.
It sounds like it wants to.
Keep trying that.
Ooh. Oh.
Definitely close.
Okay, let's
Back it up.
push it back in. Go for it.
Come on. It sounds like it wants to.
That was a crack.
Oh shit, alright, cool.
It's like just less power. It's not getting anything.
That's not good anything.
Starter's not even trying.
Try to keep it out. Sorry, no.
No, the starter isn't even cranking the starter. The starter isn't even working anymore.
Just got the starter off. We're gonna test it and see if it's engaging or not. And then we're gonna try to crank the motor over by hand.
Doing it old school style.
If none of this works, we're probably gonna have to pull the motor.
And LS swap it.
So I think the starter might be bad because it engages but it doesn't crank. Oh, wait. It doesn't crank very easily.
Oh, that thing is. Oh, God.
Oh, it's packed.
Oh, fuck.
I think that was
Oh my
like
God.
mouse shit.
Oh, my God.
That's why it wouldn't fucking start.
Holy fuck.
I'm surprised there wasn't a mouse in there.
Honestly.
I bet there still is a mouse in there. I bet there's
That's
one or two
all
in there.
mouse shit. What do you think of it? Looks like a dog park. The whole carb is full of mouse shit.
That's what that is?
Yeah.
Why don't you guys just take the whole throttle body off?
Alright, so after finding out that everything is clogged with a mouse nest,
And rust.
yeah, we're gonna take apart the motor. I don't know if we'll pull the motor or not yet, but we did pull a spark plug. You can see it pretty well. There's a lot of rust down in there, so that's probably causing it to not turn over.
There's a spark plug.
Oh yeah, there's.
A lot of rust on that tip.
It won't focus.
Well, you
There
can
we
see
go.
the rust right here too. It's like starting right there.
Oh, yeah.
Right in the bottom of there, like rust is starting to form.
Oh yeah. But it's kind of cool. I've never really messed with anything like this. It's like
Yeah, this is all new.
there's only 4 valves. It's a 2-cylinder, 600cc obviously, and the chain just runs right down the middle. Yeah, I don't know what our plan is, but we're just kind of disassembling shit. Yeah, this thing is air cooled. It has no radiator.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Just a little tiny. That fan is tiny.
It's got my finger stuck in
At least it still spins. Alright, so we found the service manual online, and it looks like that big bolt is the tensioner. So you just back that out, and it should loosen the chain so we can get this head off. Knuckle buster.
Hey.
Ow! Hit my shaft.
You got better ton of shaft.
True.
With a little growth in the middle. Well, there it is.
So this is how to properly store a cam. You wouldn't want this thing bending under its own weight. Hey.
Watch it fall on his nuts.
That was so swift.
Shit. Damn, boy.
Okay, that looks definitely way more badass.
Yep.
Let's see how this looks.
Entire wiring harness is 8 wires.
Oh yeah. That's 100 times better.
much better.
It's like when you take the bumper off those rabbits, the old school rabbits.
Fuck yeah.
It makes it look way better.
Oh, that looks so much better.
So dope.
Now the wheels just look weird all the way up here.
Yeah.
It looks so aggressive.
So the plan is to move it back to my house.
To pull the
we
motor
can
and
pull
stuff.
the motor. The sandblaster is literally like just across the street from my house.
And you've got a lift.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I have 2 lifts at my house, like fully operational, like the ones that you get in. About to come out, and there's only 4 bolts on the subframe, and everything's literally connected to it. So
What's that?
1, 2, and 4.
Back ones. Just gotta get these axles out and then we can drop this whole motor through the bottom.
What?
I see you putting this on a lift is the epitome of safety.
Yeah.
How is that safe? Should probably
Everyone else is on
screw this out a little. Oh, that's the wrong way.
Yeah. 40-year-old ball joints. It's the best. Finally.
There we go. Jesus.
Holy crap.
Alright, it's ready to drop. We're just gonna take these ones out and then drop it down on the floor. And then take these fronts out.
Yeah.
So the bolt goes all the way through the floorboard in here. Damn, snowman, it's not even Christmas time.
Oh, it's Christmas time down there. Ta-da!
Hey.
Got it.
Boom.
I'll do it one more time.
Now we just gotta do the other side.
Hopefully the subframe won't.
Looks like it's free. The motor out and it's all disconnected. Just need to lift the car up, but that's probably going to be it until we get a lot of parts and start restoring this thing. But it's pretty much stripped, or it's going to be stripped.
Yeah,
After
take the
the
interior out.
engine and tranny are out, there's literally nothing left.
Yeah,
There's literally nothing.
and then take all the interior and just sandblast it.
Yeah.
Get rid of that rust. So
Nice and pretty.
look forward to this thing getting restored. It'd be dope. And we might have found a motor for it.
Yeah.
Keep OG motor for now.